Welcome everyone to Living with the Times. In another few days will be Rosh Chodesh Elul, where we begin the whole month to prepare for the Yamim HaNoraim, the days of awe, Rosh Hashanah through Yom Kippur. And right now we're going to look at some beautiful gems that we could see from the gematria of the word Elul. The numerical value of the word Elul is 67. And 67 equals one of the sfirot, Bina, understanding. So this month is a month to try to come to understand who are we? What are we doing in this world? This is a month of introspection. And in fact, the word Bina, which has the same numerical value as Elul, is the root of the word to meditate, lehitbonen, hitbonenut. And this is a month for deep meditation and introspection, what's called cheshbon and nefesh, making an accounting of our soul. And we do this through deep understanding of, with great honesty, where are we coming from? Where do we want to go? What have we accomplished in the last year? What do we want to accomplish in the future? So it's a time for great meditation and to come to understand what are we doing in this world and how can we do it better. Now, when you add one for the word, this is a legitimate method in gematria called ima kolel. So Elul, which equals 67, equals 68 with the word. 68 equals the word chaim, life. And through the 10 days of tshuva, in the Amida every day, 3 times a day, we say, Zachrenu l'chaim. We're speaking to God. God, remember us for life. Melech chafetz b'chaim, a king who desires life. V'katvenu b'sefer ha'chaim, and write us in the book of life. L'mancha Elokim chaim, for your sake, a God of life. So 4 times this idea of life. And of course, we're all praying to be written in the book of life. But how do we get to the book of life? Well, we have to do the work of Elul. Again, Elul equals 67. If we want to get to 68, we need to make that effort. We need to do the tshuva. We have to improve, and we have to show our desire to heal and to be a better person. So what's interesting is another word has the gematria of 68 along with chaim, and that's lulav. So after Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur, we take the arba meaning, the 4 species, and we make the bracha, but the bracha is on the lulav, the palm branch. And in the Talmud, the expression for taking the lulav and shaking it is Didon Netzach. We are victorious. Like we're holding this lulav as like a victory march. We have been victorious over the opposite of life. We're alive, and we have hope in this coming year. And so in another day or two, we begin the process of the month of Elul. 30 days of preparation, of soul searching. And then we go through the Yamim HaNoraim, the days of awe, and praying to be written in the book of life. And then we get to Sukkot, then the lulav represents we're alive. We're victorious. But to be in that situation, to be a victor, we need to do the hard but joyous work of tshuva. That's why Yom Kippur is called one of the 2 most joyous days of the year. Because even though we're fasting and in shul all day, but we're getting atonement, pardon, forgiveness. Our whole life is being washed clean. A new chapter, a new book, blank pages. So I want to bless everyone that we start the process now. We hold on to life. But then when we get to Sukkot, we lift up our lulav, and with great joy, we realize we're alive. And we're thanking Hashem for that life. I bless everyone with a ketiva v'chatima tova.